Hello Novi, I'm Jeff Herczeg and this is Construction Update, the show where we cover all of the construction happening in and around Novi. It's a new year and new construction season, and we have several projects getting ready to kick off. Let's take a look. Earlier this spring, construction wrapped up on the northwest section of the ring road, meaning the entire ring road is now open. A lot of people still have no idea what or where the ring road is. The ring road is a circular section of roads surrounding the main Novi Road and Grand River Road intersection. They were designed to ease traffic congestion around the area. The four sections that make up the ring road are Flint Street, Main Street, Town Center Drive, and Crescent Boulevard. Everyone in Novi knows that intersection is really busy. Now you have the opportunity to turn at each ring and bypass it altogether. At the end of May, the Road Commission for Oakland County has developed a project to replace large segments of the existing concrete at the Novi Road and Grand River Avenue intersection. The traffic control plan has yet to be approved. Initial thoughts foresee the need to close and not allow left turns at the intersection. Lanes may have to be closed both during the concrete pouring operations and when concrete is being cured. Follow the ring road detours to get around the intersection. The City of Novi is continuing to replace the existing force main sanitary sewer with a gravity sewer on 9 Mile between Beck and Napier Road. The new sewer will better serve the surrounding service area as well as remove the existing 2 sanitary sewer lift stations which require constant monitoring and maintenance. The construction will require intermittent excavations along 9 Mile, which may require the road to be closed during certain stages. 9 Mile Road is considered closed to through traffic, but will remain open for emergency personnel and adjacent residents located within the work zone. This project is slated to be wrapped up this year in August. The Neighborhood Road Program for concrete and asphalt streets is underway for 2021. Here in the Orchard Ridge Estates, almost all the streets are going to see construction. Work will take place on half of each street at a time. There are no detours necessary for this work. Local motorists may encounter some delays for trucks and equipment entering or leaving the work zone. The contractor has all the pavement removed on Dutchess Court and a portion of Winthrop Drive between Dutchess Court and Greening Drive, as well as Winthrop Court. Next, the contractor will begin removing concrete curb and gutter while grading and preparing for new curb. Work on concrete streets in Bristol Corners is also set to begin this week. You can visit cityofnovi.org to get the latest up-to-date information on any local road construction project. Thanks for watching, Novi. Here's the better roads ahead. See you next time.